guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So what I'm doing today is I'm essentially trying to make the fox body a little bit more safer. And I've already kind of started it. So as I had it set up before, my seat was moved back here to give me more space because I had the stock steering wheel and I just couldn't, it was just too close. But since I got this aftermarket steering wheel, which is a little smaller and sits closer to the dash, I wanted to see how well that it fit. And here's another reason too, because if you look under here, this is how I had it braced. I just had those four metal plates with those screws in it. I drilled new holes, and that's how I had the seat brace. On high impact, that wasn't gonna be safe. So I wanted to go back to using the stock seat setting mounting. So I put it back. Oh, I ain't screwed it in yet. I put it back where it was, and it's still a little bit tight, but it's a whole lot better than what it is. So at the moment, I am going to use the stock setting because I think that's what's going to be best for it. And then I know I keep been saying this all along for the longest, but I need to clean this bitch out, and I'm going to do that today because I think I'm going to take it to the track next weekend. I hadn't put it on the track. Don't remember the last time I bought nitrous, but we're going to take it to the track because there's still some stuff I need to sort out. I really need to be getting my inspection sticker. May go do that today. Who knows? We'll see what today brings, or either do it next Saturday. But right now I'm going to finish mounting this seat back up, and hopefully that goes according to plan. Okay, so we got the seat in here. Sitting a little high. I am sitting a little high, sitting a little close, but it's a comfortable close. Unlike before, that was not a comfortable close, and I feel a little bit more secure. Now, one thing I noticed is I did have a few seat bracket bolts that were loose, so I need to tighten that up. But the most important thing that I probably should have tested before I spent all this time, 20 minutes, moving the seat up, is my helmet. Because as you can see, my head is pretty close to the roof. Boom. So we fixing to try the helmet out and see if I still have room. Because if I don't have room, this is all null and void. Ooh, we got the race quip. Ooh. So let's put it on. Barely. That can't be good. So I barely have enough headroom. It's so touching the roof. But we can make it work if I have to. The brake, gas, and AOD shift. Now if I were to sit up, that's a no-go without leaning a little bit forward. So I'll have to slouch a little bit. Or I may just put the factory seat back in. If I put the factory seat back in, I won't have these issues. Let's see what the factory seat looks like. Okay, folks, so as you can see, number one, it's hot. Texas is back to being Texas. No more snow. But as you can see, I done ripped out the harness bar. It's sitting over there. The seat, I took it back out. It's sitting over there. I'm gonna put the stock seat back in, use my stock seat belts, then put that back in, and now we're fixing to clean this up and get it all nice and neat. That's gonna be the focused. That is going to be the focused for this car in the next month or so. clean and neat in the inside. I'm not gonna put the back seat back in, but I still have all of that. Ooh, we still got the bottle though. Anyway, let's get the vacuum cleaner and clean out this shit, cause it's dirty as hell, and get out this sun as quick as possible. Okay. We got this heavy ass front seat back in. It's not even tightened down all the way, but look at all that headspace. That's a lot of headspace for a helmet. Seat belts work fine. Oh, that was close. Ooh, I can adjust this bitch. That is a whole lot better, folks. I don't know what I was thinking. I got plenty of leg room. Can I move it up? No, it won't move up. So that's it right there. But that's actually perfect. I got plenty of room for my helmet. I even sit lower. But it just feels a lot better. You know, sometimes we make these decisions in the beginning. Windshield crack. Sometimes we make these decisions in the beginning and we don't realize that, you know, you actually hurting your performance, whether it be, you know, in speed or just being comfortable. Now I'm comfortable. I got the stock seat belt back in. I got to bring that up. The inside up. That still works. Click it in and we good to go at the track. This is way better. Oh my God, this is so comfortable. I'm glad I put it back in. And I sit just right in the car. This is amazing. So anyway, yeah, I think we're gonna leave this stock seat in for sure. But as you can see, the old foxbody is still running good as new. I think I'm gonna get me some giggle gas and take her to the track next weekend rather than taking the vet, because there's still some testing that I need to do with it, and it really needs to get out. I need to drive it more. I mean, because really lately all I've been doing is really just what I've done. As you can see from the oil pressure gauge, I got plenty of oil pressure in this bad boy. It's tremendous. Is that rain? Rain is not in the forecast, and I could have swore I felt some rain. But anyway, folks, that's going to be it for this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I got to get into some air conditioner. This your boy. Peace.